your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
75-degree air temperature. We have a dew point value of 74. It's kind of steamy outside right now. East-southeast wind continues to blow, and that brings us that humidity from the other coast. But that's at the surface. Aloft, the air is very dry, so consequently plenty of sunshine as we head through the day. And not much of a rain chance either. That'll boost our temperature up to about 90 degrees without much in the way of any cooling rains around. Our radar pretty quiet right now. We're looking at a few showers left over out in Gulf waters and down around the Florida Keys. There may be a few showers there as well, but otherwise you got to go pretty far away to find rainfall. There's a frontal boundary that's been kind of stalled out across the deep south, meandering through the deep south back into Texas where there's been some heavy rainfall. But the little area of low pressure has kind of moved along that frontal boundary, and today that front will be on the move. As it moves, the rain chances in Texas diminish somewhat today, and we'll look for better rain chances over the course of the next 48 hours in parts of North Florida. There'll be some scattered showers around there. But this frontal boundary is going to run out of steam before bringing us any cooler air. Maybe a degree or two lower by the time we get to Friday, but still well above average. And not much in the way of a rain chance either. The rain chance on Friday may be 20%, if that. Then we'll watch a series of other fronts kind of make its way closer to us, and that will bring us some cooler air, but we're going to have to wait until next week to see that. Warm again today, mostly dry conditions, and a little bit cooler over the weekend, a little bit. So we'll watch for daytime high temperatures today to be well above average by about 5 to 7 degrees, and plenty of sunshine around thanks to this. This is our water vapor imagery, which shows you where the moisture is and where it's not. And here, the tan color is dry air aloft at mid and upper levels of the atmosphere. And that's what's going to really kind of put a limit on the number of storms that can possibly form across the state. Now, in the southern tip, there is a little bit more moisture around, and the futurecast will show a few of those scattered showers kind of developing and moving across the bottom part of the state. Some of them may make it as far north as our southern viewing area, but there won't be too much in the way of accumulation. These will be fast-moving showers. They'll exit out into Gulf waters, and maybe we'll see rainfall measured in the hundredths of an inch. Tropics look quiet. Taking a look at the convergence zone where a lot of these little tropical waves begin to get their infancy, there's just not much here to look at. Everything's quiet. And if we look in the Caribbean, the near Caribbean, the Gulf waters, and the Atlantic, there's just not a lot here either. This one little area of disturbed weather we were watching for a chance of development yesterday, but it didn't have time because of interaction with land. So that also not an issue, just going to bring some rainfall to parts of Mexico and Central America. Look for a north wind today, becoming more northwest with time. That'll bring you a light chop on Bay and inland waters. Beautiful, beautiful day for boating. We'll look for about a 10% chance of rainfall today. That's it. Tomorrow, I don't even think we'll see that. Daytime highs both days well above average, near 90. Then as we head into the weekend, another frontal boundary brings us a slight chance of rainfall and maybe lowers the temperatures a little bit starting on Sunday and Monday. And then a little area of low pressure will move across the state on Tuesday with about a 40% chance of showers. Our best rain chance the next 7 days.